So before we start the video, I really like if you subscribe, like, and hit the notification bell so you never miss when I upload. And also comment down below what you think I could do to improve upon this. Now, this, I can say a lot about this, but the first thing I want to address is the sound quality, which is the standout point to me for this product. Now, the sound quality is one of the best I've ever heard. Well, the best I've ever heard. And you guys probably saw my previous audio videos that I've made. But these are the best I've ever heard. From the nice powerful bass, which is not overpowering the vocals that you want to hear, and the instruments, you just hear all the instruments at once, and you're hearing them. I don't know if you get what I'm saying, but it's really good. And also, before I go any further, I want to outline the drawbacks for one reason. I don't want, because some people may be watching and they stop at this part of the video and say, I'm just gonna buy it. But I want you to know the drawbacks. So firstly, the connectivity issue that I have been having for a week now, because I've been using this for 2 weeks. And recently, if I put the earbuds and the phone in my pocket at the same time, then I have a big problem with connectivity issues with this. So it was really annoying that it started to stutter and just disconnect whenever I would like put the phone and the earbuds in my pocket. And also, they're really chunky. So they're on the chunkier side. They're, well, big. They poke out of your ears. I'm just gonna make you see this. So this is how they look in your ears. They look like you stuffed cotton balls in your ears, and I really didn't like that about them, but I think the sound quality makes up for that. Also, when putting them in your ear, sometimes you can like trigger the touchpad right here. You can trigger the touchpad right here, so you can have a serious problem with this. And also, be prepared to clean these. You're going to clean them a lot. Reason being because they're really light colored, and then they clean your ears for you. So when you put them in, they clean out all the wax out of your ears, basically. So there's a lot of wax in here right now. I can see it right now, but I don't think you're gonna be able to see it. Let me just try to show you though. But there's a lot of wax in there, and it's hard to clean, by the way. And that's basically it for the drawbacks of this thing. Now, before I move any further as well, if you want to buy these, I'll leave a link down below in the description. And use the links. If you're buying off Amazon, it really helps the channel. It's the Amazon affiliate thing, so you could use it. Now, let's get into some of the features that this thing packs as well. This thing features wireless charging, which is probably one of the most popular features in smartphones nowadays and some other devices. But the wireless charging feature is a really smart feature to put in, because most people will actually remember to put their stuff on the wireless charger other than plugging it in, because yeah, it's easier to just put it down on a pad other than plugging it in, if you get what I'm saying. But the next thing as well is that you get 100 milliamps on each of the earbuds, so that's a lot. And then you get 400 milliamps in the cradle, so that means your cradle can charge the two of them 2 times, and that's really good. And you also get a indicator for the cradle and the earbuds themselves, so you can see this is going green right now. This is going green. I don't know if you can see that. And if you close the cradle, this goes green, showing you that the cradle is fully charged, which I really like as well. Good feature. And also the app that they have for this, they have the Samsung Galaxy app. I'll just put it up on screen right now. So the Galaxy app, it's really good because you can actually program certain things. So like that long touch feature that you can get ambient mode, which if you don't know what ambient mode is, ambient mode, it basically allows you to listen to your surroundings. So it uses microphones on the outside of it to actually take people's voice and then it translate them through the speakers. Well, and it's really good as well. It performs really well. It works really well. Yeah. But anyway, um, I really like the app. The app allows you to pick the notifications that you want to hear when they come in, and you can actually turn up the individual ear ones in the app as well. Now, on that note, the touchpad is actually good as well, so you don't have to go in your pocket for your phone, which that feature is really good. So you tap 2 times for it to move forward, 3 times for previous, long hold based on what you programmed it to, and basically that's it. You basically get those common features and nothing too much. But what on uh, conclusion time, I really like these, and I really think that they're the best earphones out there right now in terms of all the features that you get and the price, which is what I'm getting to now. $129, which is basically less than the AirPods, which it's competing with, which is for $159. So basically, you're getting a package like this for $129. So there's nothing really to complain about when it comes on to that. But should you buy this? That's the most common question that everyone is going to ask. Well, in my opinion, yes, you should, because of the amount of features that you get with this one package for $129. I really, really, really recommend this. It's a good product and it gives you what you want. Apart from the few drawbacks that I highlighted earlier in the video. But apart from that, I have nothing else to say. And I also have an unboxing video because I got this when I was away and I couldn't wait on it anymore. So I couldn't wait to open it. So I literally just opened it and I made a video so that you guys can see the unboxing experience of actually getting this. So hope you enjoyed the unboxing, and until next time, it's the unboxing expert.